FFA members, my name is Jake Hall.
And I'm Kate Thompson, and today we have a Thanksgiving Day surprise ready for you.
We will be kicking up our good friend Gus Lindner's Thanksgiving Day recipe.
Time to get to work.
Hey Kate, I thought that we were making Thanksgiving dinner, not with
Girls gotta flex while she can.
turkey?
Yeah, bro. Turkey's the best course of Thanksgiving dinner.
But what part of our FFA journey does that represent?
Well, to me, although this turkey is pretty dang hard, this represents the soft skills that we build throughout FFA, whether that be through public speaking or participating in different CDE competitions.
Hey Kate, we almost forgot my favorite part of the Thanksgiving meal, the dessert.
Bro, pumpkin pie is like the best part of Thanksgiving.
I know, right? It almost reminds me of the sweetest part of the FFA career, state convention and national convention. Seeing all your hard work pay off, getting to compete in those contests one last time, and even sometimes getting a few awards. We should put it in there.
Oh, green beans, I wasn't expecting those. Just like I wasn't expecting my advisor to ask me to do a public speaking contest. You know, I never really liked green beans until my mom made me eat them for like every single meal. And it's kind of like public speaking, you know, you kind of hate it at first, but once you start doing it, I kind of like it.
You can add just about anything to your public speaking contest, just like you can add just about anything to your green beans. Let's put it in our pot.
Hey, stir it up. Salt and pepper are essential to any Thanksgiving Day dinner.
Just like the friends we make and the connections we make in FFA.
And the little moments that make FFA what it is.
I think they both top off our experiences. Let's add them to the top.
I don't know about you, but mashed potatoes are an essential part of my Thanksgiving dinner.
I don't know what your family's eating on Thanksgiving, but we prefer hash browns before Thanksgiving.
Hash browns? Okay, what about French fries?
French fries, who's ever heard of that on Thanksgiving Day?
Just like there are many different ways to cook potatoes, there are many different opportunities that you can take advantage of in FFA.
Some of which include events like PSI and PSA.
Or maybe it's through HiMax Hype FFA Camp.
Or it can even be going to the Next Gen Conference or the New Century Farmers Conference.
Mic drop.
Hey Kate, we finally got all the ingredients to our good friend Gus Lindner's famous Thanksgiving meal.
Heck yeah, we do. Give them a stir. And there you have it, folks. Gus Lindner's famous Thanksgiving Day surprise.
The FFA jacket.
Potatoes. Hey, you can see my face.